Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. Today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. You guys, I am feeling so gorgeous. I feel like a model, you know what I mean? Like, you know, those models, those college girls that you can't tell them nothing. They know that they're beautiful, they know that they're confident. This is how this hair is making me feel. I'm obsessed. I love it. So you guys, please do check the description box for more information if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous hair. I also have a discount code for you guys. Get yourself 20% off when you purchase this hair, period. Look at me, I look gorgeous. And what do they say about girls with bangs? They're stylish, and if they are wearing a wig, it better be Luvme hair. Okay, so let's get straight into today's video. So guys, I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. This is their gorgeous box, and let me show you guys what's inside. I love the goodies. So the first thing that they gave me was the 2 wig caps, and how gorgeous is this? Oh my goodness, let's see what's inside. So I got a mirror. Let's open it real quick. So cute. This is the mirror, and it is branded. It's written Luvme Hair. Oh my goodness, I look so cute. A headscarf to lay your edges, and a lovely brush to also lay your edges. So this is the packaging of the wig, and oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I've never tried bangs before, so this is literally going to be the first time. And this is how the wig looks. It is so soft. Oh my goodness, it is so soft. Look at that. Look at the volume as well. I am loving the volume as well. So this is how it looks inside, you guys. It has 3, this is 1, 2, 3 combs, a band. I love this band so much because it secures the wig, and also the adjustable, these 2 adjustable straps. I am so in love with them. Okay, and these are the bangs, period. Oh my goodness, it is so soft. It feels so soft. I love it. So guys, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm quickly going to install this wig and let you guys watch and enjoy the rest of the video. But please do not forget to check the description box for more information and for direct links. And of course, you all know that I have a discount code for you. It is Manaso 20. You get 20% off when you use this discount code. Okay, so do the right thing. So let's install this gorgeous wig.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind.
And there you have it, guys. I love the wig. I am so happy with everything. The curls are curling, everything looks perfect. It is moving. Look at me, it is not going anywhere. It is still on my head because honey, Luvme hair will make sure that your wig is secured. The bands, the straps, everything, the clips. I'm so happy, you guys. I love my new bangs. Like, this is literally going to be my go-to hair. I am so impressed, you guys. Oh my goodness, I look so gorgeous. So yeah, guys, this is the end of today's video. Please do not forget to click the description box for more information, and if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous hair, remember I have a discount code for you. It is Manaso 20, and you are going to get yourself 20% off, period. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye guys.